never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love.
Hey queens and kings, welcome back, you guys. Welcome to all our new queens and kings. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video as well as subscribing to the channel. Since you are new here, my name is Valerie. I am the host behind this channel here. So if you like all things home decor, lifestyles, and vlogs, you in the right, you landed on the right channel. You landed on the right channel. But to my old royalties, hello queen, hello king. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you. So yeah, we're about to, we about to nothing. I'm about to actually make some little updates to the bedroom. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'm really not even feeling the purple anymore. The black into the bedroom. I really want to think about putting it in the front room again. I mean, then again, I'm like, no, I'm gonna keep the black in here. But what I am gonna do is actually change the curtains out, take the purple curtains down. Have already done the ones in the bathroom because I've been caught myself doing little changes in there. Y'all forget Andre in the front room with all the noise. He got the game going, he got the TV going, everything is going on. But so what I'm going to try to do is go ahead and get this done before the sun go down, because y'all know the time changed. So yeah. And oh, I also got a new comforter from Ross. I'm gonna show you guys that too as well. So I'm just trying to finish the bedroom pretty much and make the more changes now, since you know the big life update, or what I think it's a big life update, but you know, since I told you guys pretty much, okay, Dre is pretty much here, so now I gotta make this thing work, make it fit some kind of way. Yeah, I really don't know how I'm gonna do that. Now I really got to do my thinking skills, trying to organize and all that stuff there. I don't know, but that'd have to be another later video or something like that. I don't know, but today is pretty much just like, I don't even know if I'm gonna do a day in the life or a vlog or whatever, but we're gonna see. We're gonna make it do what we do, and we're just gonna do it. Okay, so yeah, so let me show you guys and start running, because you know I could be a little chitter chatter, but I know y'all love me just as much I love y'all. And yeah, and I still have not got that nail fixed. I'm gonna get this nail fixed. I just been tired because I just got off I'm on day 8, so I'm working 12 days this week. I was about to say 12 hours, but it's 12 days that I'm working. So this past weekend I worked. So yeah. So I'm just on a wing and a prayer right now, girl. I'm on a wing and see my arm. Oh Jesus. Arm went down. But anyways, let me show you guys pretty much what I got. The curtains are from Amazon and the comforter is from Ross. So let me show you all. Okay. So here's the comforter. It's by Element of Home. Sorry y'all for the glare from the light. Element house, child. And like I said, it's a 7-piece comforter set. Super soft, they say. So we're gonna see. It's just a white plain comforter. You know, I didn't want nothing with too much texture or anything like that on it. I don't know why, I just like the white plain ones. So hopefully everything is in here. And like I said, it was $44.99 from Ross. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. All right, y'all, so this is the comforter, and it is thin as hell. This is thin as hell. Like, even a pillow sham, I don't know if this is the pillow sham or pillow case, honey. It's so thin. Look at it. It's so flimsy. Like, you can see the tag between it, honey. And I think it's a pillow sham. Girl, thank God the pillows are white. Wait a minute. Focus. You don't want to focus. Girl, but oh, girl, what in the world I got myself into? What I got myself into? Honey, that can't be no pillow sham. That can't be the pillow sham. That look like a damn pillowcase. But look at the comforter. It's so thin. It's okay for me, but I stay in Florida. It's good because it's lightweight, and you know the houses do get hot. But baby, this is thin like tissue paper. This might be a little down and thick. That might be that. Girl, what is it, downy or boundy? Whatever the hell it is. Y'all know what I'm saying. But look at the sheets. The sheets look a little off-white. I swear I got to get some more light in here because this is not doing me no justice neither. But look at it. You can see how thin it is. Thin as paper, honey. When I put this on the bed, you're going to see the whole damn mattress pad. Girl, look. Is these the shams? The shams? Girl, I can't even say it right. These are the shams. Girl, these are the shams. I think these are the shams. These feel a little bit thicker than the other one. Girl, what is the thing? Is it? No, girl, these are the shams. I wish y'all could see this. My lighting is not working for me. But these are the shams, the thin one. These feel a little bit thicker than that. Child, these the pillowcases. The pillowcases, the sheets, the flattest fitted sheet and stuff like that. It's like a cream. It's not white. It's a cream. I don't know. We're gonna see how this works. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. But damn, it's real thin. Thank God I got my gray duvet over here that I'm gonna put on the bed too though. But still, I don't know. But I just want to show you guys before I actually put it on the bed. Hopefully this work out. If not, I'll be taking it back to Ross. Sometimes you just can't go to all the cheap stores, child. So the purple curtains is gonna come down. I got some gray curtains that I'm gonna actually put up there. Yeah, I'm gonna change it out just to lighten the place up a little bit more, because with the purple curtains, honey, it's real dark in this room with this. And you see, I don't have nothing but one light right there so far. So I need to go ahead and, like I said, hang up the sconces there so it can give me a little bit more lighting. But we're gonna change these out here, and then I also have a comforter I'm about to show you guys in a moment, like I said, that from Ross. Yeah, so I got the comforter on the bed. It's not bad. It's not bad. It does similar to one that I gave Jasmine with the little pinch here and there. So I'm okay with that. Child, the helicopters out there. Now I got the choppers. Yeah, so I think I need to close that one because that's gonna bother me. But the air feels so good though. So anyways, so like I was saying, yeah, this is the comforter. It's not bad. It's gonna be perfect for the late nights when it get hot and stuff like that, because like I said, I stay in Florida, so it get real hot. Y'all know we have summer down the year round. You know, every now and then you'll get the winter, spring, summer, and fall in one day, but most of the year is summer here. Sunny skies, baby, all through the season change. So I'm gonna put this one too on here as well, the one with the duvet. I'm gonna put that probably at the end of the bed, so to just, you know, soften it up a little bit, you know, put a little puff to a little more layers to the bed pretty much. But this is gonna be the one that we're pretty much gonna sleep up under, because that one there with that duvet in that comforter there, it is real heavy, honey. Very heavy as hell. I probably should have put that on there first. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with it. It's pretty much what I did to the bed. Like I told you guys, I was going more, the purple pretty much gonna be the pop of color, but you see I have black too as well. I don't know. When I look at it now, I see more of like a modern look with the black and gray and white, and that little tinge, just a little tinge, a pinch of purple. You see a little piece of purple here, a little piece of purple there, you know, in the flowers and stuff. But yeah, so anyways, this is how we looking. I like the 2 layers, so therefore we can lay up under this blanket here other than this one. So here's the curtains. These are from Amazon. They sold separately. These was like I don't even know. You guys just check out my Amazon store, because it's been a minute since I had them, and I'm supposed to always put them up, but I always forgot to put them up. So, but they are, how many inches? How tall? Girl, what is this? Is this the right panel? Yeah, 95 inches. Y'all can't even see. 95 inches long, the same width as the purple curtains here. I like the purple though. I really do like the purple. So like I was trying to say was I'm gonna see if Dre would like the curtains, the gray ones up here, or should I just put the purple ones back up, because like I said, he do like purple. I don't know, did I mention that to y'all or not? He do like the purple, so I don't know, maybe he'll like this look too as well. I'm trying not to make it so feminine, Trying not to, but it's kind of hard, you know. That's all I know. That's all I know. But yeah, anything that's Amazon finds, check my Amazon storefront. My bed is from Amazon. Check my Amazon storefront. My side tables from Amazon. It's a lot of stuff in here from Amazon. So check it out. Go shop it. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. So you guys just go shop my storefront, you know. Support a queen. Support a queen. Thank you, queen or king. All right, queens and kings. So here they are. They're a little bit darker. Maybe it's just because this light is not that good. But they not. I guess it's the shadow part of it. Because they actually is real light. They are very light gray. See, they are very light gray. So I guess it is just the shadow. But I like them. Come all the way down to the floor. Kiss the floor a little bit, you know. But it makes the room a little bit lighter. Like I said, that I guess because I was basically competing with the black and the purple, and both of those are very dark colors. So I don't know. I do like it. I like how it look. I wonder what Dre like it. He gonna like it. He don't be caring. He don't be caring. So now I'm about to try to go ahead and put these sconces up. Y'all know the ones that I had in the other house. I'm doing the same pretty much to look. It is what it is, child. It is what it is. That's why I was really kind of skeptical about the layout of this bedroom, or taking this bedroom again, because I wanted a different feel, different vibe. But oh well, let me go ahead and get these up. I'm going to watch some TV while I'm doing this. I'll be back, okay? So these are the ones that I'm pretty much probably going to use to put on the side of the bed. These right here, and I'm using those cards there, which is those from Amazon also. And these are some little simple DIYs that I did. Some old sconces where I used the crystals off of them, and I kept the base just to use the base because I know I was going to use it for some more sconces. But yeah, so I have these as well as these here, which I was thinking about putting these, but these are a little bit smaller than what I want to put on side of the bed. I'll probably go to Lowe's or Home Depot and see can I find something bigger. But these are more for the bathroom, but I don't know how I'm gonna get these over the lights in the bathroom, because I really want to put these in the bathroom over the lights. But if not, I'll figure out another way what else I'm gonna do with these. I don't know. Hey queens and kings, welcome back, you guys. So it's the next day. Well, not technically the next day. It is 2 days later. So by now you guys have got the update of my life. The other 2 days ago, I did little updates to the bedroom. I did some more updates. I also hung up the chandeliers. I keep calling them chandeliers. I kept calling them sconces, but they're actually like pendant lights. Child, don't y'all come for me in the comments, because I know y'all already done put it down there before we got to this portion of the video. Learn to watch the whole video, okay? But anyways, I just want to show you guys pretty much what I have done. And I told y'all Dre wasn't gonna really notice the color change pretty much. He noticed the lights, of course, because it's actually brighter in here, as you all can see now. But he did not notice that I changed the curtains out. He ain't no child. That's tell you how much men pay attention to stuff, you know. So yeah, y'all kind of look like somebody, but give me that. I caught myself trying to make a mold because I have a bump there, and it's not giving. But anyways, yeah, so let me show you guys pretty much what I got. All right, queens and kings, so silly me thinking that I was recording, but I wasn't. So over here I decided to break down the gallery wall out of the living room and put a little miniature pieces here and there in the bedroom. So what do your queens and kings think? Think it's cute? So I went ahead and stopped the dryer because that was the noise in the background, and this is what was in there. My comforter that pretty much is going to be another like a little throw or something, and that's more of the purple to bring over here, or bring on the bed, I should say. So, and I think I like the little more of the purple look, but I don't like this angle because the Dre will catch all of his jewelry and money and everything. You know what guys have all in their pockets. It's just crazy. But I just don't care for the fan though. But I like it. I really like it. What you guys think? I got to show you guys the good thing about these. Now that I don't have to pull or anything like that, I could just use the light switch here to turn the lights off. And you could use them from that end too to turn them back on, which is a good thing. Because baby, that one will not be turning on like that. That's gonna be it, Queens King. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I'm not gonna make it out any longer. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the content, you're new here and you enjoy the content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell, as well as to my old royalties. Make sure your notification bell on so you guys can be royalty game notified. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's gonna be it. I'll see you guys in the next upload, pretty much. The next upload, whatever that be. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I ain't gonna make it with this hair. It's time for a new look.